Hi everyone, here we've got Huawei P40 Lite 5G, and let me show you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all, let's get into the settings and let's scroll down to the very bottom to choose about phone. Here we've got the build number, so keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're a developer now, just like that. Now let's get it back and let's enter system and updates. And here we've got the developer options, so let's tap. As you can see here, we've got a lot of advanced settings which we can customize. We can, for example, change window animation scale or show pointer location or our touches. In order to turn on the feature, just tap on the switcher on it. And as you can see, it is immediately applied. In order to turn it off, just tap on the switcher again. If you can see the option without the switcher, then simply tap on it in order to open much more settings. If you're done with all the customization of developer options, let's go to the very top of the list and click on this switcher to turn them off. As you can see, they are still here, but after getting back and tapping on the system and updates again, they simply disappear. If you want to customize them again, then simply get back to the build number step. So that's all. This is how to enable developer options in your Huawei P40 Lite 5G. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.